Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So this one is just an exercise for you guys so you guys can practice if you haven't practiced on your own. So let's just quickly take a look at a simple problem. So what I want you to do is to create a dictionary, name it car, create three keys into the dictionary, call them make, model and year, and then try to access the color key. So remember guys, we never created the color key, right? We only created make, model and year. So because of that, it's gonna throw an exception. It's gonna throw an error because you're trying to access something which does not exist. And this is the kind of exception that we haven't seen in the tutorial, right? So because there are numerous exceptions and we can take a look at each and every one. So that's why I thought of give you an exercise related to something that we haven't seen. So you guys get a taste of one more extra stuff, right? So what you need to do is you need to handle the exception using the try except block, and you should use the finally block as well just to print something, and you should get a taste of it and you'll get your hands on it. So that should be good. So for now I would say either pause the video, stop it, come back to it, and then see the solution. And if you want to see the solution is right there in this document as well, but I'll just close it out. I'll just close it out and I will open PyCharm. So if I would just again say guys, I'm just gonna minimize it again, and you are always free to pause the video, resume the video anytime you want, but just pause it, try it by yourself, and then come back to the video. So this is not the complete solution, by the way. So right now what we have is the exception handling method, and I just have the car dictionary created. It has keys called make as BMW, model as 550i, year as 2016, and I'm just printing the key, the color, right? So now I expect an exception. So when I run this code, I see an exception, and the exception is in the traceback. It says key error color, so which means it cannot find the key called color, right? So the error is the key error. So what we need to do is we need to put the try block, and then inside the try block we can try to access the color key, and then we can add the except block, and in the except block we can say something like maybe, sorry, we need to print it out, so we can say maybe key not found. I don't know what I have in the PDF, but yeah, we can say that key not found. And in the finally block we can say always like just this is just to print, right? So we can say finally always executed, right? Or maybe we can say more meaningful stuff, right? Please try a different key. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna just return the errors properly, and if I'm gonna run it, it's gonna say key not found and please try a different key. So guys, feel free to see the solution, refer to it, and practice a lot, as I always say. So that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next lectures guys. Thanks for learning this one.